We want to differentiate pizza, yeah. For most of you that have been enjoying pizza, you have calculated pizza, you have dissolved pizza in water. Today, we want to use calculus to differentiate pizza. Don't mind me. Let's look at this together. So, if y is equal to s sine s, find dy ds at x equals pi over what? Over 2. Now we have y is x sine what? X. Now we know that this is where we apply product rule because x is multiplying sine x. We have a function in terms of s, another function in terms of x, and they are multiplied. So I can say let u be x and let our v be what? Sine x. And we know that the product rule is dy dx is equal to u dv dx plus v du dx. So what it means, keep u constant, which is this, differentiate v with respect to s, plus keep v constant, differentiate u with respect to s. That's easy. What is our u? X. dv ds will come here. Finding the derivative of v with respect to what? With x will give me what? Cos what? Cos x, because derivative of sine is cos x. Okay? What is our v? Our v is sine x times du ds. What is du ds? Will give me 1 when you differentiate this with respect to x. That will give me dy dx equals s cos x plus sine what? X. But we are not done yet because we are asked to find the value of this derivative when x is equal to pi over 2. So we substitute what? X. So this will give us at x equals pi all upon 2. Means that dy dx will now give me pi divided by 2 cos pi over 2 plus sine pi over 2. Now we know that pi is the way we measure angle in radians, and 1 pi is 180 radians. So pi over 2 will give us 90 degrees. So that's pi, 1 pi radian is 180 degrees. So pi over 2 will be 90 degrees. So pi over 2 is 90 degrees. So we have pi over 2 times. We know that cos 90 is 0. So we have 0 plus sine 90 is 1. So pi times this is 0 plus 1. Then I'm left with what? With 1. So dy dx is equal to what? 1 in this question. So we have just differentiated this particular pizza and we got 1. Thank you for following. Make sure you follow me for more pizzas like this.